Investors Business Daily Review. Pricing. Explain what you get for your money. Investors Business Daily isn't just another stock news site. You won't believe how much research and data it packs for investors. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's only for reading articles, but the surprising truth is it provides advanced stock screening, market analysis, and educational resources to help investors make informed decisions. Pricing starts at $95 per month for digital subscription, which includes access to articles, charts, and stock analysis. The annual subscription is offering slight savings and continuous access. Many people overlook the value of IBS stock lists, like the CanSlim leaderboard, which identifies top-performing growth stocks based on data-driven strategies. It also includes portfolio tracking, real-time alerts, and a proprietary rating system for stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds. You won't believe how much easier it becomes to spot strong buying opportunities when you have these tools at your fingertips. For active investors, the insights provided can save hours of research each week. In conclusion, Investors Business Daily pricing is justified by the depth of research, tools, and educational content offered. For anyone serious about growth investing, the subscription can be a valuable investment in knowledge and decision-making efficiency. With data-driven insights and real-time alerts, IP delivers tangible value for your money.